Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on this fitness tracker right here. I'm wearing it. I'm super excited. And this is the Letscom fitness tracker. Here's the box right here. This was sent to me by Letscom. I'm super excited, you guys, because I've been wanting a fitness tracker like this for such a long time. Fitbit is super expensive, so this is a great alternative. So let's get into the review. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by what comes in the box. Here's how the box looks right here. Letscom fitness tracker, and it just lets you know everything that the watch has: pedometer, distance, heart rate, alarm, calories, call alert, sleep monitor, and SMS alerts, which means that you can get your text messages to the watch. It also comes with a free 1-year extended warranty right here. It has a little manual, fitness tracker manual, that tells you all the info about the watch. Here's the assembly where it shows you guys it's a built-in USB, so you don't need any type of wires or anything. You just plug it into the wall, plug it into your USB, which I think was amazing. And then it shows you how to take the straps off and everything like that, and the little plastic. So let's get into the watch. Here it is. And the thing that I like about this watch, or this fitness tracker, is that it raises, or it wakes to raise. So if you turn it like this, the screen automatically comes on, so you can see, you know, on it. So it is touch screen, but you have to touch the button. You can't just touch the screen and it'll change. So there's a little button right here, and then it shows you like the date, the time, and everything like that. Press it again, shows you the step tracker, heart rate monitor, walking, running, biking, the stopwatch, and then back to this. So if you guys wanted to, let's go back to the beginning. Walking, you hold down the button and it shows you your steps, calories, how many minutes. Same with the heart rate monitor. Press it down and it'll tell you your heartbeat. Obviously it's not on my wrist, the light would flash green to show that it is checking your heart rate. 53, obviously it's not on me, so that's not correct. Okay, walking, press it down, and then it'll let you know 3, 2, 1, and then it'll count down. So when you get your steps in, it'll let you know how long you walked, how many steps you took, and everything like that. Calories and all that. And then to stop it, I just hold it down, and then it says short training session. Do I want to save it? Obviously I don't want to save, so I go to the next. Running's the same. Press it down, 3, 2, 1, and then it will show like when I'm about to run, how long, how many, you know, minutes, all that kind of stuff. When I'm done, press it down again, and then it'll ask me like if I want to save it, and I don't want to save that. So biking, I don't bike, but you guys get the gist of it. It's the same as the running or walking. Then the stopwatch, hold it down. If you want to time yourself, click to start. There goes the stopwatch. Click to pause, and then done with this. So yeah, that's pretty much all it is. I don't have it connected to my phone yet, so I can't show you guys the Bluetooth part of it, which you could get your calls to hear, you could get your texts to hear. Now you can't reply to it, but it does give you notifications so you know to get to your phone. That's pretty much it. Now let me show you guys how I take the bands off. So for me to take the bands off right here, I just, and I'll have an arrow showing which way. This is the USB cable right here. You just go ahead and pull this off here. There's that. And then you guys see right here, that's how you charge it. So you just plug that into your USB, plug that into your plug, and it should charge it right away. This side comes off as well. You guys can see these bands are interchangeable. You are able to get different colored bands if you guys want. So it's easy to come on, come off. I think this is like a perfect fitness tracker for anybody that can't afford a Fitbit or can't afford a expensive fitness tracker watch or an Apple Watch or anything like that. This is a great alternative for people who are back into fitness. This watch is perfect for anybody who's trying to get back into fitness. For those of you who don't know, I just had a baby. I'm 1 week postpartum, and I'm definitely trying to get my body back together. I'm going to be starting a series called Body After Baby, and I wanted something like this to track like my calories, track how long I exercise, keep track of my heart rate and things like that. So I wanted something like this. So when this company sent this to me, I was super excited to try it out. So I will definitely be using this in future fitness videos. To make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Let me know if you guys like this little review. I'm not really a tech channel, but I do like doing reviews about little electronics here and there. So definitely make sure you thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.